Yeah, it's okay. I will.
Heavy, honey.
Yeah, I do. I can do it. Oh, see? Magdalon. Ah, grabe yung snow. Ang bigat ng snow. Wow. Ay, sarap gumawa ng ano. Halo-halo. Yeah, it's very clean. See, aray ko. Oh, very white.
Well, tell Alex it's good to eat.
Yeah, good to eat. I make halo-halo. I think it's good.
Time you shoveled snow in your life. Go, baby, go. Yay! All right. That's the way, a little at a time.
Oh, sino magpala? Magtanim ng palay.
How do you like this winter?
I do.
Yeah, it's fun, isn't it? Okay. Wow, look at how deep the snow is by your foot.
It's fun. I like it.
Okay. All right. I'm gonna get started on the snow blower now.
Put dinner in the